A lot of girls on the track, and you come out with not only first place but a record. Just take me through the race and what went so well for you.
Well, I wanted to make sure I hit all the splits. I've been trying to go 2:10 pace for this whole outdoor season, really. That's been my goal. Even though I didn't quite get that, I'm still very happy with how my outdoor season turned out in the state meet. But yeah, I was on until I think about 200 or 150 left. But I'm very glad with how I raced, so yeah.
There was a lot today.
Yes.
Just the waiting, the adjustments, everybody running at the same time. How did any of that affect anything? How did you handle that to make sure that you still did what you needed to do?
Well, it really annoyed me at first, having to wait around for, 5 or 6 extra hours. But I think in the end it really worked out. I mean, being my last meet, this being like kind of a meet under the lights is really cool. And it feels really nice outside. It's kind of cool, not much wind. So yeah, I think it was pretty good conditions for, after everything that has gone on today. So.
To wrap up a high school career in that fashion, you mentioned under the lights. From right outside of Baton Rouge, I'm sure you're familiar with this place.
Will be the
what does it mean
girls
to
4x100 meter
to wrap
relay.
it all up on a note like this?
Class record set in 1996 Scotlandville, a time of 47.13.
But with how it turned out, I'm really happy to end on a good note.
And one will be Booker T. Washington
really special
Shreveport.
to be able to do it right here at this school that
qualifying time of 50.61.
So yeah, it's been a very
Lane
good
2
day.
Warren Easton.